Hello, my name is Stupnikov Stanislav. I'm a team lead in UK and author of Python developer course at KETUS. Let me say a few words about course itself. This course will give you a lot of practice in writing simple and yet idiomatic Python code, as well as testing and supporting it. You will be able to level up in multiple areas: web development, data analysis, high-performance computing. There will be also a lot of homework assignments with detailed feedback from instructors, and at the end of the course you will build your own project, which will become an important part of your portfolio. So, in 5 months, you will master toolkit required to develop infrastructure solutions, web applications, quality control, and analytical systems. I'm looking forward to see you in the course. Bye.